Welcome to my channel Nutrition Station. Today I will tell you 2 morning drinks that clear acne and inflammation, plus boost immune system. First drink, apple cider vinegar drink. How to make: mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a glass of water. Drink with empty stomach. Benefits: regulates blood sugar levels. ACV may help lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for managing diabetes aids. Digestion. The acidity of ACV and the digestive enzymes in lemon juice can improve digestion and help relieve bloating. Supports weight loss. ACV has been shown to increase feelings of fullness, which can help reduce calorie intake and promote weight loss. Boosts immune system. Both lemon juice and ACV have antibacterial properties that can help boost your immune system and fight off infections. Improves heart health. ACV can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol, contributing to better heart health. Detoxifies the body. This combination can help flush out toxins and improve liver function. Lemons offer several benefits for skincare due to their high vitamin C content and natural acidity. Benefits of lemon for skin. Brightens the skin. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy and glowing skin. It helps to reduce dullness and improve skin tone. Exfoliates dead skin cells. The natural acids in lemon juice help to exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting a smoother and brighter complexion. Reduces acne. Lemon has antibacterial properties that can help reduce acne and prevent future breakouts. Its astringent qualities also help to reduce excess oil. Second drink, detox drink for clear and acne-free skin. Raisin water. Detoxification. Raisin water helps flush out toxins from the body, which can contribute to clearer skin by reducing the buildup of impurities that may cause acne. Antioxidants. Raisin water is rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, which can help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, thereby preventing acne outbreaks. Improve digestion. Enhanced digestion from regular consumption of raisin water can lead to better nutrient absorption and a healthier gut, which is often linked to clearer skin. Anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties of raisin water help reduce the inflammation associated with acne, leading to fewer and less severe breakouts. How to make raisin water? Soak a handful of raisins in a glass of water overnight. Drink the infused water on an empty stomach in the morning. Do this daily to see the best results. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you for watching.